Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can select and add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and choose or create a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and to add an audio file, select Files section. Now you can click on Audio filter right away. Tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Finally, after locating your file, hold it and choose Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully attached. If you wish to add a video instead, click on Gallery section, tap on Gallery over here and look for your video. When you find it, click on it and tap on one of those options, Google Photos link or video. Wherever you decided, when you're done, confirm your choice by choosing Add at the top right corner. Then select Add at the top right one. You can also select your video from here the same way. If you want to, you can even click on Gallery, then select Folders and look for your video the same way as an audio file before. Then hold it and click on Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!